Cincinnati.
Shh, not so loud. Daniel's back.
Where is he?
He's out there somewhere.
Did you see him?
Oh, I heard him. Bird calls. Anybody but a dang fool British soldier would know that no self-respecting bird would be awake at this hour.
What do you suppose he's up to?
I don't know, but there's somebody with him. I heard 2 birds a-chirping.
Where would he find anyone way out here?
Thought there's nobody here but them Chickasaws.
Ma, what's wrong?
Nothing, darling. Everything's all right. Go back to sleep. You too, Israel.
I got no idea what he wants, but I figured you might like to know, so to put your mind at rest.
Thank you, Cincinnati.
Well, what do you want?
Why aren't you asleep with the rest of them?
Any law against a man visiting his friends?
Get back where you belong.
Oh, put that thing away. I'll go on my own.